Hello and welcome guys. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn the available operators in C++. So these are the operators available in the C++, which includes the binary operator, unary operator, ternary operator, MISC operator. The major one includes the binary operator, which includes the arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operator, assignment operator. Arithmetic operators are normal, which are available on the calculator. Relational operators always returns the result in true or false. Logical operators includes the double ampersand, double or, and exclamation mark. Bitwise operator includes the ampersand or left shift, right shift, tilde, and power operator. Assignment operator includes the equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, likewise. So in this tutorial we are going to learn and see the examples of arithmetic operator and assignment operators only. The rest operators we will learn in our future videos. Okay, so we will declare first three variables int x, y, z. Okay, now we will pass the value for x is equal to 25, y is equal to 35, and z is equal to x plus y. Now see out addition z and l. So this will return us the addition of the x and y variable. Okay, now we will run the program. See, we are getting the addition of 60 in the console window. Okay, so 25 plus 35 is 60. Similarly, you can take the inputs from the user, likewise cout, enter value 1 and L, in x, similarly cout, enter value 2 and L, in y. Okay, now z is equal to x plus y and cout, the addition will return the result of the addition. So function f5, we are running the code. See, enter value 1. So value 1 will be 45, value 2 maybe 60. So 60 plus 45, the result will be 105, right? See, addition is 105. Similarly, you can do the multiplication, like s is equal to x into y. S is not declared, so you have to declare the s variable over here. Okay, now a is equal to x minus y. So a is also not declared, so you have to declare the variable a. Likewise, you can do the multiple operations, and similarly you have to declare the cout also. So first we have taken the addition, then we have taken the multiplication. The variable store the value of s, and then Similarly, see out subtraction. Subtraction result has been stored in the A. So we will call the A over here India. Okay. Now we will run the code. So all the result has been displayed on the screen. So value 1 would be 100, value 2 would be 80. Okay. Enter. See, multiplication. 100 into 80 is 8000. Addition is 180 and subtraction is 20. So this way you can use the arithmetic operators. Now we will see the example of which one we have seen earlier. Assignment operators. Now see, listen carefully. Int x. Okay. Now x is equal to, I said 50. So this 50 value has been assigned to the variable a. X, sorry. Now see out value of x is equal to x and m. So function f5, the value of x is 50 as expected. Now another operator is plus equal to. Now we have declared here as x is equal to 50. Now we will make some change in the program. X plus equal to 50. Okay. Now what it will does, it will be x is equal to x plus 50, right? So what is the initial value of x? It's 50, right? Now x is equal to x plus 50, right? Means x value will be this 50 plus this 50. So the result will be 100. See the result. See, value of x is 100 over here. Got it? Similarly, you can do x minus equal to 50. The answer would be what? We'll remove for the confusion. This expression becomes x is equal to x minus 50, right? Means 50 minus 50, result becomes 0. Check for the output. See, the value of x is 0. Similarly, you can perform the minus equal to, multiple equal to, division equal to, and mod equal to. Okay. Also, we will see the example of unary operator now. So we have initialized x is equal to 50, right? So we will pass here x plus plus and semicolon, right? So this means x is equal to x plus 1. Plus plus means it will increment the value by 1. Okay. So the value becomes 51, like 50. 50 plus 1 is 51. So whenever I run the code, it will return me the 51 value. See, value of x is 51. Similarly for the minus 1. So if I do this minus minus, so x is equal to x minus 1. So this will return me the value of 50 minus 1 is 49. So whenever I run the code, it will give me the value of 49 as expected. Okay, so these are some examples of operators. The rest example we will see in the upcoming videos. As of now, thank you guys. Bye bye.